Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I just wanted to do a quick video for the Quntis PD charging station that we recently got, because it's always trouble in the house on how to charge your too many devices these days. So we have our phones, so let me quickly show it to you. This is what it looks like. It's a smart charger with AC power cord and a bottom base. So I'm gonna assemble it and show you. And it charges 4 times faster. Yes, you heard it right. Your iPhones are not gonna charge faster if you don't have the right watt. So let's assemble this. Okay, I personally really love this because it has USB-C and the USB charging point, so you can just have one small charging station and you can charge any phones you like. Well, all the coupon codes and the links to this product is gonna be in the description, so don't forget to check it out and do check out the product. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye.